Hello again, everyone. This is me, Ashana. We have a hotel job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, 7/16 Tuesday. So the hotel is located in Jizoka. The nearest station for this is Gotemba Station. So we're looking for 2 to 4 people, and the job description for this is we're looking for front office, and there is also bed making. So if you are willing to apply for this, the salary will start from 217,000 yen up, and there will be bonus also. So the conversational Japanese is required for a front office, and the basic Japanese is required for housekeeping. So anyone interested, this is a hotel located in Shizuoka. So if you are willing to apply, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. For other jobs, we do have other jobs scheduled for interview from Monday to Sunday. We have a schedule. We also process a proper working visa. So if you need a visa assistance, please let us know. Thank you.